Affinity Photo comes with some great text features. Well, those text settings can be saved as a style. This is how to do it, PC or Mac. Super easy and super useful. So I've created some text, and it could be in any font, doesn't matter, because the thing is, the styles will store that. So go over here and you can see I've got there source, click, and you can click times or slanted and symbol. And you can see as you do that, the color as well as the font, they all change. You can see up there, so green and shadow. Also, you can store things such as drop shadows as well as bevels, etc. All in this style. So how to do that? So let's just go back to the first one. So there, and you can see source code. Now I might decide, you know what, I don't want that. So let's just go down here and I can choose something else, another font, and it's that sort of font there. Well, I can go and change the color. So click, and I can change it maybe to purple, and then also maybe underline. So I've got all that. Then I can go over here to the styles. You can find that in the window menu and down to styles. Go to the right side menu of that and down to add style from selection. As soon as you've done that, you've got here style. Now, obviously, it's not very useful as style 11. You can right click and rename style. I'm just going to call it underlined. And you, of course, call it anything. So click OK. Again, if you decide, you know what, I want the green, so I can click that one instead, or click arrow, and again, the font will change, also the font size, etc. And of course, you can always then simply resize using the move tool, so you can reposition it. And as you do that, of course, the font size will change there. You might decide, you know what, I want it back to what it was, so just click, and again, it's reduced down to 64 point. The great thing about this is you don't have to save the style with the document. Because normally if you go along the top control bar, you see you've got style. Well, if you do that, you need to save that in a particular format of document, the AF photo. But if you say you're just creating JPEGs or TIFFs, etc., well, it's really useful just to have a style that stores all that text information. And that is always there from document to document to document. It's not document particular. So if I close this document, if I go File and Close and then come back into it later, well, what I can do, I can simply select any of these text styles. They will still be there. Of course, you can always delete them at any point. Simply right click and delete style. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. A like or dislike, always appreciated as well. Please subscribe to the channel. Always adding new tutorials all the time about Photoshop, Affinity Photo and many others. Bye.